Okay, water crossing. Leh Ladakh feels. Okay, I'm trying this jugaad. I don't know how it's gonna work, but I'm trying this out. I'm vlogging with my camera. Like I've just inserted my phone inside the helmet and vlogging. I don't know whether it's still recording or not because my face is touching to my phone and I can't even see the road properly. I don't know whether it's recording or not. Okay, let's try till I buy a GoPro. Lol. This is how, I don't know, I think the clarity might be okay, but the only problem you face here is you can't focus fully on the road because the phone will be half, it will cover your half of your face, so it will irritate you sometimes and you won't get to know whether it's recording or it has stopped. I'm talking right now, but I don't even know. I should see like during edit time whether it has recorded properly or not. So that's one more issue with that. If I buy a phone mount, I can vlog. Nice. OP in the chat. So this is jugaad, but you can't do this all the time. Backup where your GoPro goes wrong or if something goes wrong, you have to vlog. So this will help you at that time. So it's not a permanent solution, and it will work for people like us who can't afford to buy a Hero Hero 9. So they can vlog with their phone. Oh, the power, man. Okay, it's recording. I can't even drive this with machine fast because till first service you should maintain 4000 rpm and speed range below 60, so that's why we can't even stretch. It will irritate you. It's okay to vlog for some 5 to 10 minutes, but the focus will be on the phone whether it's recording or not. So it's actually not a good idea. You can't focus. You have to focus while riding bike. Your concentration must be 100%, but in this scenario you can't give your 100% because 50% will be taken by your mobile phone. You have to maintain in such a way that your phone shouldn't drop. If this happens, then bada fatka lag jayega bhai. Okay, water crossing. Leh Ladakh feels. Water crossing. Leh 2. Yo! Fuck, man! Shit! To escape from cops, we came by this road, and this is happening. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, and yeah, one more thing I just forgot to mention. While you're uploading this video to Instagram, then it's okay, because the recording is in landscape mode, the portrait one. But when you're trying to upload this for YouTube, you can't. YouTube needs 4:3 ratio, but this will not help in that. Oh, the new Thor looks damn. Okay, that's it for today. I just wanted to vlog like this with my phone, with this setup, and yeah. Okay, and my setup looks something like this. As you can see, oh god, my eyes is covered. And I have no idea how this video gonna come out, so okay, I should check while editing. I should check this video clarity and everything, the voice is getting recorded properly, and how's the video clarity, video angle and everything. So that's it for today. So if you're not able to buy a GoPro and you have to do motovlogging, you can try this setup. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.